Hi and welcome to our van life series. In this episode, we dive right into the Greek culture by trying the local food. It's got so much flavour. We have been driving around Greece in our self-converted Mercedes Sprinter for a few weeks now, and this place is amazing for living in your van off-season.
There's loads of campers here. Seems like a popular place to come for winter.
If you don't know us, we are Kinga and Marcin, and after spending amazing 3 months in Turkey over winter, we have arrived in Greece to start our European van life adventure. So far we have driven all the way across Greece to the beautiful city of Parga, and then followed south along the coast.
Our heating doesn't work, the weather's awful.
But when the sun finally came out, it was incredible. So follow us as we make our way through Greece, and stick around if you want to see one of the most amazing cities in this country, Nafplio.
Look who's joined us this morning. Two little doggies. And what's the mission for today?
Laundry. Nice handbag. Good morning from yet another stunning parking in Greece. Just filling up our water from one of the showers that's by the beach. And I have to say that every stop we've made in Greece, every spot for the night has been incredible and beautiful, and mostly they're by the sea. Every stop that we've made by the beach has had a shower, which I think is absolutely incredible, because in the UK, even though there's plenty of beaches, there's never any showers, and I think there's nothing better than rinsing off before and after you're in the sea. So Greece, a massive thumbs up for that.
We've had a break from filming over the week. We enjoyed Greece as much as we could with the weather. However, it's a Saturday, so we're back with full force.
We will soon be in Nafplio, and from there we're heading to Athens, because we're meeting a friend there, and we're going to do a lot of exploring in the capital. A lot of pinpoints.
We've been in Turkey for, what, 2 weeks now? And
Turkey?
Whoa, we've been in Greece for about 2 weeks now, and we have not tried the local food yet.
And it obviously looks like we're missing Turkish food. We asked for Souvlaki gyros, which I think has tzatziki sauce, pork meat. It's actually got chips inside as well, which is an amazing breakfast if you're asking me. Let's see, how do I get it out?
This is typical Greek street food.
It's got so much flavour. Tzatziki, so good. This is really good, try it.
I have to say that was a really good find. So nice.
I didn't really look for anything, I just, as long as it was open, it was like the first thing that popped up.
It was really good. It was only, how much was it?
480 euros. No. Can we go for another one?
Yes, but before that, I've got something in store for you. We're gonna go and watch trains.
Yay! This is a brown train. There's a green one, and there's a blue one, and there's a red one.
Can we have more passion, please?
This is a beautiful brown train. And next to it is a blue train. Wow, how amazing is that?
I think sadly that's the end of the train experience.
Oh no. 10 out of 10. It literally feels like we came to this town just for food, and we're now on our way to Nafplio, which used to be a capital city of Greece, which I just found out. Thanks.
And also I think the drive is going to be incredible because of the mountains.
I must have been searching, though I wasn't looking for much. Checking out the scene, wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool. I prefer to stay in the
As you can see from that drone footage, this town is beautiful and there's loads of campers here. It seems like a popular place to come for winter. I think the plan for tonight is to explore the local wine, and tomorrow it's supposed to clear up and then we're going to explore the town properly.
I know about love. You never know when it's coming, but you sure know it when it does. Yeah, one thing I know about love, you might get what you ask for, so you better be sure.
Well, that was an awful night. Doesn't matter though, it's time to do some stuff. We're going to follow the locals, see where they go and show you around.
Last night when we got here, we couldn't see anything down there. You probably still can't see anyway, but the mountain tops are covered in snow and they just look so fabulous. I could never tell that they're so high and so snowed in. Nafplio is literally the most romantic city in Greece, and I don't know what I fall in love with more, Marcin in here or in this city. All the stone buildings by the seaside. For a city break, spend like just 2-3 days, I'd definitely come here again.
That's us parked for another few days. It's a Sunday today, and I think what I'm going to do with the rest of the time is I'm going to sort our fridge vent. I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like from the outside, and it's catching onto the door. So as you can see, someone hasn't done a good job with this guy. There's something pushing onto this, kind of on the back of the fridge. All this needs redoing. I've ordered a new one of these. I'm going to take this off, sort this out and have it ready. I managed to fix it for now. So it's not perfect, it's far from perfect, but I'll show you what I've done. This pipe that you can see there has come loose. So it is now jammed, but it will do for now, which means we can easily open this door. You might be wondering, why did you put your fridge there? Well, because we wanted to. So a lesson for today is, you can't predict everything, but there's always a solution.
I feel like Turkey has been the challenge, like in a good way as well, because that's how we started a van life. And if we just went into, I don't know, midsummer Spain, we would have had it like really easy, like, you know, oh, nice and warm, we can share the doors open with everyone, but it was so challenging. So now when we can actually open doors, feel the sun, not get the freezing cold breeze, it's such a reward. It's such a massive reward after like what, 3 months in Turkey and then a month in Poland. I honestly thought winter would last 1 month and it lasted 5. So come on at me, spring. One of the first times we can enjoy the sunset from within the van with the doors wide open, and it's just so beautiful. So we're still in Nafplio, and I woke up extremely unmotivated because I've been going through a bit of a rough patch recently. I went to sleep again after that because I was just not with it, and then After that I did 2 meditations in a row and I feel so much better, so I'm going to take you to a gorgeous viewpoint. Somewhere down there is where Vanja is. Feels like I might be wandering around these streets for a little while. I did take the wrong route at first, but it's just so beautiful and I'm the only person here. Gosh, I am quite very red, aren't I? I don't have to say that. Google Maps says it's 10 minutes, well 11 minutes and 700 meters. To be precise, I've already been walking for about 50 minutes and I still can't find the exact way that I'm supposed to be going. I think I've gone the wrong way again. Guess where I've made it to? Obviously the top, at last. I'm sorry, but where even am I? Look at all these. They are everywhere. This is it for this episode. We hope you've enjoyed Greece just as much as we have.
Nafplio, you've been amazing. We're going to be back here.
I can't wait already. Next up on our radar is the capital of Greece. So stay tuned and watch in 2 weeks.
See you there.